Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by setting the environment. Install your preferred shells and tools and make sure they run. Open multiple terminals now and assign each a role so you avoid context switching. Once done, load your dot files or copy essential config snippets into /. Config so prompts, aliases, and path are consistent. You want reproducible terminals. That's why labeling panes and keeping configs in a repo matters. This immediate setup prevents friction and gets you into the working flow fast. You now structure the session, split panes and create a persistent tmux session or save your iTerm layout so you can restore work instantly. Make concise aliases and small helper functions for repetitive sequences. This reduces keystrokes and errors. Once done, attach descriptive names to sessions and link them to project folders so you can resume without setup. You should also pin background monitors, logs, build servers, or tail outputs so you can glance at status while you iterate on code or commands. You finish by saving the state. Commit your config updates and push them to your dot files repo so other machines match. Close or detach sessions cleanly. If a process hangs, identify it with PS and terminate it deliberately rather than rebooting. Make sure to export session layouts so you can reconstruct panes rapidly. If something goes wrong, first restore the saved session layout. If that fails, recreate panes and reattach logs. This recovery step prevents lost context and keeps your workflow uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.